Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some essential text formatting features that can really elevate your writing and presentations. We're talking about bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, and superscript. Whether you are working on a document, creating social media posts, or just trying to make your text stand out, these formatting options are super useful. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about bold, italic, and underline. These three are foundational when it comes to emphasizing text. Bold text is great for highlighting key points or making important information stand out. You can use it to draw attention to headings, names, or any crucial details. For instance, in this sentence, the word is bolded. To make text bold, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus B on Windows or Command plus B on Mac. Next, we have italic text. Italics are perfect for adding emphasis in a different way. They are often used for book titles, foreign words, or to highlight a particular phrase. To ital- uh, italic your text, press Ctrl plus I. And then we have underline. Underlining can be used to underscore important details or titles. It's especially useful when you want to make sure a piece of text stand out. To underline your text, use Ctrl plus U. And then strike through. Strike through is used to show that something has been removed or is no longer relevant. It's perfect for indicating edits or changes. For example, if I strike through Apple, it visually shows that this part has been removed. Now let's move on to superscript and subscript. Subscript and superscript are particularly useful in scientific or mathematical writing. Subscript text appears slightly below the normal line, and superscript appears slightly above it. For example, in chemical formulas like H2O, here 2 is a subscript. To apply subscript, the shortcut is Ctrl plus equal on Windows. For superscript, Ctrl plus Shift plus E. To apply strike through, you can usually find it in your text editor's formatting menu, but on some platforms, the shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus X. And there you have it. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, and superscript. Each with its own unique use. Mastering this can and really make your text stand out and communicate more effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop any questions if you have in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.